Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create different views in Airtable. Views are an incredibly powerful feature that lets you visualize and organize your data in multiple ways, making it easier to track projects, manage tasks, and collaborate with your team. To get started, open your browser and navigate to airtable.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Airtable homepage where you can see all your bases and workspaces. On the homepage, simply click on the data or base where you want to create a new view. This will open up that particular base and display your existing tables and views. Once inside, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see your current views listed. This is where all the magic happens. Click on Create New at the bottom of the Views panel. A menu will pop up showing you all the different view types available in Airtable. Each view type serves a different purpose, so you can choose the one that best fits how you want to work with your data. Let's start by adding a list view. From the options presented, click on List. This view type displays your records in a simple, streamlined format that's perfect for quick scanning. You'll notice that you can rename this view to something more descriptive, type in whatever name makes sense for your workflow, then click Create New View. The page will refresh, and now you'll see your data displayed in the new list view format. Now let's try another view type. Click Create New again, and this time select Calendar from the options. The calendar view is fantastic for managing deadlines, events, or any time-based data. Give it a meaningful name that reflects what you'll be tracking, then click Create New View. Airtable will prompt you to choose a field for the calendar view. This should be a date field that will determine where each record appears on the calendar. Select the appropriate field and click Done. Your calendar view will now appear, showing your records organized by their dates in a visual calendar format. What's great about Airtable is that you have a lot of options for how you want to view your data. Beyond list and calendar, you can also create grid views for a spreadsheet-like experience, gallery views for visual content, kanban views for project management, timeline views for tracking durations, and Gantt views for complex project planning. Each view type offers unique ways to interact with the same underlying data, and you can switch between them instantly without changing your actual records. And there you have it. You've successfully created multiple views in Airtable, giving you flexible ways to work with your data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.